Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to enable safe search on Google Chrome. Friends, it's always better to take maximum protection while browsing on internet. So here Google Chrome is providing different type of protection. So we just need to enable it. So in your Chrome browser, you need to press on the three dots. Now here you need to press on settings. Now in settings, you need to press on privacy and security. Now here scroll it little down and you will find under security safe browsing. Press on it. Now here you will find three options: no protection, standard protection and enhanced protection. So by default you are on no protection or standard protection. So for best protection you need to enable enhanced protection. So friends, now onwards whenever you browse on Google Chrome browser, Google Chrome will provide more security towards insecure websites. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.